Hey guys, in this continuation of Beginner's Landscape, we are going to learn how to make birch bark using a card. So you'll need a card, some watercolors. I'm using the same Anna Linke watercolors we'll be using in class. And I'm using a mix of brown, ultramarine blue, and some purple, and a little bit of red. And I'm just like layering it all up on the card. And when I put the card on the paper, I'm going to make a like C-shaped motion, like a rainbow motion. Up, down. That's going to create the bark effect. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. This time I'm going to add a little bit of phthalo blue in there just to see what that does. You can play around with really any set of colors you like. And this isn't just for bark. You can use this with a lot of different forms. Let's do this again over like the C shape. Okay, that's pretty with this card. I'm just going to go over again. There we go. And you can use your card to like, if you want to kind of move the paint, you can do that as well. All right, I'm gonna let's make at least one more. So just reloading up the card. Ooh, okay, a little bit darker than I would have liked, but that's all right. Just gonna dab here. Get some reds and browns on this card. And go over here. Nice. Okay, and if you want, if you're feeling really sort of adventurous, you can try to make some additional branches by going side to side. And now I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna use a hairdryer just to hurry this up. So this is not ideal, but it's fine. We're now going to mix a light blue-gray by mixing ultramarine and a little bit of black and then a ton of water. And all we have left to do is, I'm going to add even more water to that and even more, a little bit more black. We're just going to paint around the trees to really emphasize that contrast. Careful not to knock into the trees, because if you do, the paint will just bleed into the area. Oops. Mhm. All right, and if you want to practice with like a snow technique, and this will work on some papers better than others, you can get the side of the candle and lightly kind of rub it on the side, so you know the area that we're going to be painting gray. And hopefully, yep. That'll create a kind of snowy effect. And there's your quick birch forest. Just gonna take this tape off.